Hello everyone, this is Robert, and welcome to my channel, a realm where words breathe, meanings dance, and English becomes an art of elegance. Today, we embark on an extraordinary expedition through the enchanting corridors of learning English, not as a mechanical process, but as a symphony of thought, tone, and transformation. English, dear listeners, is not a mere tool for communication. It is a linguistic masterpiece, a fusion of intellect and imagination. When we articulate words with precision, we do not just speak, we resonate. Every syllable we utter carries a vibration of intent, an echo of curiosity, a spark of expression. To learn English is to unlock the architecture of understanding itself. At the genesis of this journey lies phonetic finesse. Every consonant and vowel possesses its own rhythm, its own whisper of meaning. Misplace a sound, and clarity dissolves into confusion. Hence, nurture your pronunciation as a sculptor shapes marble, delicately, deliberately, passionately. Next comes lexical exploration. Dive beyond ordinary words. Discover the beauty in expressions like ethereal, melancholy, serendipity, eloquence, magnanimous, and quintessential. Each word you learn expands your consciousness, granting you the power to express subtle emotions with majestic grace. Reading enriches your intellect, listening refines your intuition, and speaking fortifies your confidence. Observe how language flows in music, movies, and conversation, how tone transforms a simple phrase into poetry. Practice not to impress, but to express, not to imitate, but to illuminate. To master English is to evolve, mentally, socially, spiritually. It refines your thoughts, broadens your perception, and empowers your identity. Let your learning be luminous, your curiosity insatiable, and your voice fearless. Thank you for listening. I'm Robert, wishing you brilliance in every syllable. Welcome once again to my channel, where learning English is not a task, but easy.